Okay, I just took a short on Apple here, 100 shares. It's come up from 314 to 317, which was a level of some resistance or support. So I'm going to see if we get a pull down. The market gapped down hugely because Cisco earnings weren't what people wanted. So these stocks gapped down pretty hard, but people still want them. So they went up pretty quickly, but still think it's good for a short, just for a quick trade. And then it probably will go higher. So we're going to see get anything off this short on Apple. Okay, we're getting a little move down. It's been around 5 minutes. I think I'm going to go ahead and cover here. Got around 60 cents in the trade. Covered there for 59 cents. $59 is 100 shares of Apple. And you can see this thing ran up, open 315, came down to 314, then ran all the way up to 317. And you can see that 317 has been some resistance here. See it bounce there, 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 and then yesterday it kind of had some support as well. So got filled there for a good trade, and see what else happens today. But as I said before, Cisco, they didn't like the earnings, and things gapped down, and then they were immediately bought up. So that's a good sign as far as the bull market's concerned, meaning these leaders, Apple, Amazon, Baidu, whatever, they gapped down initially with a bad earnings from a leader like Cisco, but then people buy them up. So it's good to see that they're kind of shrugging off some of this bad press from Cisco. Anyway, see what else happened. Okay, I just took a short here on LVS, 200 shares, $49.90, and it's come up here from 48 up into some resistance or pivot point from yesterday. So we're going to see if we do get a move back down. It hasn't gone down yet, so might have a quick pullback. Okay, this thing it's only been a couple minutes, but it did pop up to 50 right away, and I was just thinking, I should have just tried to put an order out at the whole number. Just gave myself 10 cents more profit, 10 cents less risk. So I've got to tighten that up a little bit instead of just getting in. Nothing wrong with just getting in, but there's also nothing wrong with trying to fight for better prices. Because I'd have 20 cents in the trade now instead of 10. So I just wanted to point that out. Hopefully we still get a move down here. But you can see on the stock, it opened up at 48, and just these are 10-minute candles, which I usually trade off. And it's just been up 10, 20. So for 40 minutes, it's been going straight up. So often, have a little pullback. And I'll look to cover here. Maybe I'll try to take 30 cents out of the trade. So what's that? I got filled at 49.90. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put an order in, cover at 49.60. Okay, so I put the order out there at 49.60. Just to get all my emotion out and just let me get filled if it does get down there. So, pause the video again. Okay, so we're just about there. You can see my order in blue, 49.60, and there it just got filled for a 30-cent profit, or 30 cent on the trade, for a $60 gain in about 7 minutes. Sorry, I'm getting over a little cold here for 2 weeks now. Anyway, as I said before, you can see the stock went up 40 minutes straight and into a nice round whole number like 50. And you can see it was kind of a pivot point, kind of a median here. Either way, I took the trade more off the fact that this thing had been going up for 40 minutes, nothing had pulled back, and it was into a nice round whole number like 50. And the stock has kind of topped out up here at 55, and then it came up here, and then yesterday kind of tweeted out, and then yesterday had another down day. So just figured that sellers might want to sell there again. So I got filled there, and see if we get another trade. Okay, I just took a short on Baidu here at 113.70. It's 100 shares. It's at all-time highs right now. It's come up from 110, so still a bullish movement. But me, I still think it has to breathe a little bit if it wants to go higher. So I think it will come down before it goes up, if it does indeed continue to go up. But only took 100 shares, more of a spec play than something else. So Gonna see if it works here. Not gonna give it too much room, maybe 30 cents. Anyway. Okay, yeah, we kind of popped up right through 114, then right back down. So gonna look to cover here. Would have liked to add up there, but like I said, spec play, all-time highs, high volume. It takes small size, but still, you could tell this thing was running up pretty strongly, so it had to pull back a little bit. Let's see here. Let's see if I can put an order out. Got an order out at 113.30 for a 40-cent profit. Could easily just pop back up now, knowing this stock. As you can see. Okay, I took that order off. Just going to go ahead and enter it manually here. See what I want to do. Alright, forget it. I just took profit there for 31 cents. It's fine with me. So quick trade. Could have been a lot better. Went up to 114.20. So I could have waited, It was just going up, and still working on these things takes years to really perfect. Patience and having some idea that it could get there so you can get filled. So it did get up there, and all the better trade anyway. Okay, I just took a short position on BUCY here. It's run up into some resistance from yesterday and support from a few days ago as well. So we're going to see if it comes off. 71.96, short 200. Give it maybe 20 cents. Okay, I got stopped out of that play for my 20 cents that I was risking, minus $40. Market's pretty much just going sideways here. So, that trade, I said I got involved here yesterday's area and got involved here, and then it went above it, and I got stopped out. I gave it 20 cents. So that's about it so far. $110. I got, let's see, 4 trades, 3 winners, 1 loser. I think I'm gonna go head out for the day. Market's not really doing anything too exciting, so I might just call it a day. If I do take a trade, I'll just come back. Alright, I'm going to call it a day. So, see you next time.